Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some valuable insights on how to become a successful online tutor and earn while sharing your knowledge. This is an incredible opportunity to make a positive impact while also generating a sustainable income. So grab a pen and paper because you'll want to take notes. Watch it until the end so you don't miss any step on the way. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify your expertise. The first step on your journey to becoming a successful online tutor is to identify your area of expertise. What subjects are you passionate about? What knowledge do you possess that others would find valuable? Take a moment to reflect on your skills, qualifications, and experience. Step 2. Determine your target audience. Once you've identified your expertise, it's important to determine your target audience. Are you aiming to help high school students with math, college students with programming, or professionals with business skills? Defining your target audience will help you tailor your tutoring approach and marketing strategies. Step 3. Choose the right online platform. Now it's time to choose the right online platform to host your tutoring sessions. There are several options available, such as online tutoring marketplaces, educational websites, or even creating your own website or YouTube channel. Consider the features, audience reach, and commission structure of each platform before making your decision. Step 4. Develop engaging content. To attract students and stand out from the competition, you need to develop engaging content. Create a well-structured curriculum or lesson plans that cater to your target audience's needs. Use a variety of teaching materials like videos, interactive quizzes, and downloadable resources to enhance the learning experience. Step 5. Set reasonable pricing. Pricing your tutoring services can be a tricky task. Research the market rates for similar tutoring services and set your prices accordingly. Keep in mind factors such as your experience, qualifications, and the level of personalized attention you provide. Consider offering package deals or discounts to attract new students. Step 6. Promote your services. Promoting your tutoring services is essential to reach your target audience. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to create a strong online presence. Engage with potential students by sharing valuable content, testimonials, and success stories. Utilize search engine optimization techniques to ensure your website or channel appears in relevant searches. Step 7. Provide exceptional tutoring sessions. Once you start tutoring, it's crucial to provide exceptional sessions. Be punctual, well-prepared, and organized. Adapt your teaching style to each student's learning preferences and provide personalized feedback. Encourage active participation and create a supportive and encouraging learning environment. Step 8. Gather feedback and improve. Continuous improvement is the key to success. Ask for feedback from your students to understand their needs and areas for improvement. Use this feedback to refine your teaching methods and enhance the learning experience. Embrace a growth mindset and always be open to learning and adapting. Step 9. Expand your reach. As you gain experience and build a reputation as a successful online tutor, consider expanding your reach. Collaborate with other tutors or educational platforms to offer joint sessions or webinars. Write guest articles for relevant blogs or publications to establish yourself as an expert in your field. Step 10. Diversify your income streams. To ensure a stable income as an online tutor, it's wise to diversify your income streams. Besides one-on-one tutoring, you can explore other avenues such as creating and selling educational courses, offering group coaching programs, or writing ebooks. These additional income streams can provide financial stability and expand your impact. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful online tutor and earning while sharing your knowledge. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with dedication, passion, and continuous improvement, you'll build a thriving online tutoring business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.